Hello my friends, today we're going to be trying out the last folding saw that I'm going to buy, and then I'm going to let you know in the end when I come back with another video about which folding saw I like the best. Today we are trying the Fiskars. Now this saw is a little bit longer. I think this is an 8-inch blade where I think the other ones were 6. I do like the style of the handle. You just push in the button and it comes right out, and you hear that snap right into place. Push in the button, snaps right in. So let's go ahead and get some softwood and some hardwood and try out the Fiskars folding saw. Alright, I got a piece of, looks to be hemlock right here. So let's go ahead and see how this cuts up. I have to aim you down a little bit here. Alright. There. Nice clean cut. Pretty darn good. I'm just going to set this over here on the ground. I just finished a camping trip up here at the shelter, and I will leave that for the next people. So let's go ahead and try a piece of oak. Now this is a little bit punky on the outside, but it's definitely solid on the inside. As you can see here, a nice clean cut. There's the punk right here. You can see water still inside that wood, but it cut it. Okay, my impressions of the Fiskars folding saw seem to cut extremely well. I like the handle. It is a little bit longer than the other ones, but it is also a longer blade. Seems to be quite sharp, and I think the Fiskars quality is there. What Fiskars is known for, its quality and its craftsmanship, and it has a great warranty. So where does the Fiskars rate? Okay, definitely over the Gerber. Yes, Gerber was garbage. The back ridge tough, pretty close, and the Holy Man, still a very close. Between those three, I have to put some thought into it and really come up with an conclusion on which one I thought was better than the other. So this Fiskars is definitely making it tough. And I'm not just saying that because I enjoy the longer handle and the longer blade length. You get more strokes out of the wood to be able to cut it faster and easier. It could have a lot to do with it, but it is a very, very sharp, and I know the Fiskars brand is high quality. I've had no problems with the Fiskars, let's put it that way. So with that, you guys stay safe, stay outdoors, and enjoy some outdoors activities, whatever you do. Now I gotta finish breaking up camp and head on down the mountain. I'll see you next time.